closer to the water, it will get colder.
In the same spot.
Yes.
I could get behind that.
Yes, because water's a natural coolant. And so I'm saying with water comes wind. And so whenever you're flying, if you're flying near water, the wind is hitting your turbine, so it slows it down.
Okay, see, now the only problem is when we leave New York, we don't go out to the ocean. We go back to Texas. So that kind of goes, argument, crumble. You just said the wind whips off the water and pushes into our turbines. I'd love to see you draw a diagram of a plane, and it slows us down. We might be over the water for 30 seconds, if that. You go up, and we're headed inland we're headed to land mass.
Do we pass? Okay. Well, there's different.
If you ask me if we pass an ocean, if you are about to say, do we pass an ocean from New York to Dallas?
Do we pass mountains on the way from New York to Dallas?
I don't know. There might be a mountain chain.
Okay,
we're not flying by Everest, though, but there might be some hills. There might be a couple hikers.
It could be a mountain problem, because that's what it calls turbulence.
Turbulence.
I'm saying, but the only thing that would make sense, because I never have that kind of problem. I've flown from Texas to Canada, and it was quick. There's no ocean. There's no mountains on the way there. There's mountains and oceans on the way back from New York. I guess not on the way too.
Bubba, Peyton, yeah. Same flight on the way there, right?
So you explain it.
I have no. I gave my best shot.
Pilot was drunk.
He's like, no. There's got to be.
It's a Denzel Washington.
Maybe on that day.
Yeah.
Maybe the wind. Okay, it might be. Okay, here we go. Right, Dallas, New York. So if the wind's always going this way, is the wind always going east?
The wind always does go one direction.
Because if
it doesn't, that's where tornadoes come from.
If the wind just decides to go the other way, if there's a tornado imminent.
It's called wind confusion.
So if the wind's always going this way, on the way, we're going to get that extra draft.
Yes.
Like a little Mario Kart, like you pop a mushroom, you're going.
Yes.
On the way back, it's going to get some friction.
And that's exactly what it is, and that's because it's...
just for clarification, it's not. It has nothing to do with Arizona, California, oceans, or tornadoes, or mountain ranges.
No, that's called openly figuring out a problem. That's called showing your work, and I just got to it, right? And you made a good point, because the world does rotate, so the wind has to go... Sure, the wind causes it to spin a little bit, but it all goes in one direction, right? The wind's always in one direction. So if you go, it does, unless tornadoes happen. That's where all the natural disasters happen.
Oh, and that's how you get Oklahoma 95.
Yeah,
Well,
because I mean, there's no other way a tornado can form other than wind going the opposite direction.
But how the does that just make a tornado? I think that's so wrong.
You
were about to do this. I think the wind, you said it changes. It's not hitting.
No, I'm saying the wind's always going one direction, right?
Yeah.
So this is hard for my brain. So if you bring it the other direction, boy, what happens?